Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And we have another super easy dessert for your holiday table. And also, last year we did some of our favorite holiday desserts, so we'll link that up there and you can go check those out. Those were easy too.
Yeah.
So this one today is a Snickerdoodle Apple Cobbler. Super easy to make.
I love Snickerdoodles.
So thank you for some people that sent in ideas. One, someone felt bad because it had pecans. Like, sorry, Robin. Another one had dried fruit in it, and I would have been bad because I would not like that at all.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that either. It's a texture thing.
Right. And they were a little more to it. So this one is super easy. Here's that recipe here. Still warm. I think I don't know. I'm kind of mixed about this one. I'm not sure.
I don't know. I love Snickerdoodles, but I don't know if I'm gonna like it with the apple.
Right.
We'll see.
Right. And you can make this more complicated if you want. Like I used the mix, Snickerdoodle cookie mix.
Cookie mix.
You could like make your own. I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible. It's not gonna look the prettiest. I will say that. It smells good.
It does smell good.
All right. I'm gonna make this two different ways here. One we'll have plain, the other one we will have with some ice cream and some caramel syrup. So this is a kind of a variation of a recipe that I saw. Because they did make it from scratch. And I was like, that's a lot of time.
I gotta keep this simple.
That's right.
Ooh. Pretty.
Kind of looks like the other one. With or without. Okay. All right, we'll try the plain first.
Yes. Kind of just see what it tastes like.
I usually not a big fan of the canned fruit, but I thought.
Yeah. Well, it just tastes like cinnamon apples to me.
You need a topping.
I like the topping.
You don't like the apples.
I don't.
Like I said, you can make the apples yourself. Like
I mean, I wouldn't like the apples either way.
Either way, you
Yeah.
think so?
It's
Do you like apple pie?
yeah. Well,
Here we go.
I mean, I like fried
apple pie.
apple pies, but I don't normally get apple pie.
Or apple crisp or apple. All right. So this is not for Robin.
I mean, shocker, right?
Let me see. It almost has more of a cakey,
Yeah.
what?
It's spongy, cakey. Yeah.
Yeah, than a cookie. I think it's tasty. Let's try. You're not gonna like this either, so.
No, I'm not. That's okay. I'll try it.
I think it's good. Because
I like it better like that because it tones down
the apple.
all the stuff going on. But I don't like the ice cream because I don't like the cold with it. So just ignore me. This isn't a good one for me to review.
I'm more of a fan of apple crisp and cobblers and things like that other than just pie. But I think it's...
Yeah. I think if you are an apple pie, apple
I feel like
person,
apple stuff.
Yeah, I think I mean, yeah.
Baked apples.
Yeah.
I like the crunch of the cookie. That's what you want. I don't know that I would know it was a snickerdoodle. But you do get a crunch, which I like.
Yeah.
For how easy it was. Makes me like it more.
Yeah.
But I think the flavor was good. And
I would make it for my family. Like, you know, for family coming in.
Right.
Because I think as a whole, this is usually a fan favorite. Yeah.
Right. I have to give it a thumbs up. It was easy. I like the flavor. It is kind of sweet.
Neutral. I'm neutral.
She's not here today. She's
Just ignore me. I can be quiet.
Yes, you can.
We proved that.
Yeah, if you saw the Pringles video recently, then you know that.
Yeah, I can just sit pretty, sit and be pretty.
For the ease, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. It's super easy. I think it was good. It's something different than an apple pie, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, is this something you would make? Do you like easy things?
Like Kathy?
Like I like easy things. Let us know in the comments below. And that brings us to
Question of the day.
that you can handle.
Yes, maybe.
What is your favorite holiday smell?
Ooh, which holiday are we talking about?
All right, what's your favorite Thanksgiving smell?
So like a pumpkin spice. That's my favorite. Like I just, so I do fall in love with that.
And Christmas.
Christmas is always like a balsam, like cinnamon. I'm not too strong on the cinnamon, so more of a balsam. Like I love the live Christmas tree smell and just that evergreen.
Right.
Yeah.
Thanksgiving, I would say the smell of the meal, all those the smells, like the like stuffing, dressing, stuffing.
Dressing. It's dressing.
And then, I would agree with Christmas. It's the tree. It's like I have a candle that I love the smell of, and it just smells like Christmas tree, which I love that smell.
Yeah.
All right, what is your favorite holiday smells? Let us know below. And don't forget to check out the other video on our other holiday desserts that might be able to help you out.
Yep.
All right, if you haven't subscribed, think about hitting that red subscribe and the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.